In the last video, we were talking about the credits that the physical body has to have, the resources that the body has to have in order for us to control more the mental and the emotional side, right? The thinking process, the emotional process, the feeling. So what does that mean? Well, as an example, if I start to eat very crappy food, junk food, processed food, fatty, sugary food, I'm not gonna start to feel emotionally very well. And then if something starts to happen where I need to control the emotional body, I need to have management of the emotions, it's gonna be a lot harder than if I've been eating healthy, the body's feeling good, and I have a lot more resources to apply towards the control or the management of the emotional body. So I wanted to do this very short video just to give you a few examples and a few exercises, I guess, so that you can start to build the credit, build the resource in your physical body to control the emotional body. So one thing definitely is going to be the quality of food that you're eating. And I'm not for or against a specific type of food, a specific type of eating habits, like carnivore, vegetarian, vegan. I don't know who you are. I don't know what works for you and your particular physical body, so I don't know. But it's your job to find out what triggers you, what pushes you to better health, what pushes you to anger. I remember one time I was doing a month of raw vegan diet, right? I was eating pretty much nothing but fruits and raw vegetables, and I felt good. But one thing that really stuck with me was how I felt emotionally when I broke that month, that diet. I had some meat, and emotionally I felt very different than the day before. I felt like things that were not affecting me were now affecting me. Things that were not on my mind, now they started to be more on my mind. And I don't know if it's just the emotional process that the animal goes through when they're being killed, and then you eat that and then you feel it. I don't know what's going on, but what I do know is that the body runs different based on the fuel that you're feeding it. So be mindful of that. And if you're one of the ones that feel great eating this type of food, then by all means, or this type of food. But you have to get to know your physical body and listen to it. And once you do, it's going to be a lot easier for you to manage that, or to take the right decision, so that you know you're going to have more credit, more resources. So yes, if I'm going to have a like a meeting of some kind, if I am going to give a conference, I obviously, days before, I start to think, okay, so that day, even the days prior to, what am I gonna eat and what am I gonna be drinking, so that I physically feel a little bit better, have more of an advantage. If I start to eat super crappy, I'm gonna feel crappy. So anyway, I hope this helps. See you in the next video.